Have you ever searched for your name on a class list or looked for a train time on a schedule? You weren't reading everything, you were scanning. That same skill scanning is exactly what you need for the IELTS reading test. Scanning means moving your eyes quickly to find one specific piece of information, like a number, a name, or a date. And if you can do it in daily life, you can do it in IELTS too. So what exactly is scanning? Scanning is when you move your eyes quickly through a passage to find one specific piece of information like a keyword, a number, or a name. You're not interested in the whole passage, just that one detail. It's like searching for a word in Google. You don't read the entire page, you just jump straight to the part you need. In IELTS reading, scanning is most useful when the question asks you for specific details. For example, true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, multiple choice, and short answer questions all depend on finding one piece of information quickly. But scanning won't help for main idea questions like matching headings. You'll need skimming for those. Here's how you can scan in IELTS reading step by step. First, look at the question and spot the keyword. Maybe it's a name, a number, or a place. Next, keep that keyword in your mind and move your eyes quickly down the passage. Don't try to read everything, just hunt for that one detail. And once you see it, pause and read carefully around that spot to make sure you've got the right answer. Alright, let's try scanning together. I'll give you a short text and a question. Your job is to scan and find the answer as fast as you can. The question says, on what date will the children's section reopen? So right away, I focus on the keywords children's section and reopen. I don't need to read the whole passage. I just let my eyes move quickly down the text, scanning for the word children's section. Once I see it, I stop. It says, the children's section will remain closed until September 15th. Now, here's the key, until September 15th means it's still closed on that day, which means the reopening happens the very next day, September 16th. So the answer is September 16th, and notice how we found it. We didn't read every word, we just locked onto keywords, scanned straight to the phrase, and pulled out the date. Quick and simple. A lot of students make mistakes when scanning. One common mistake is trying to read everything while scanning. That's not the point, you're only looking for one detail. Another mistake is forgetting to slow down once you find the keyword. If you don't check carefully, you might choose the wrong answer. And finally, some students scan without being clear on what they're looking for. That just wastes time. If you want to get better at scanning, practice with short texts in your daily life. For example, when you look at a train schedule, try to find one departure time without reading the whole table. Or when you're on Google, pick one keyword and jump straight to it in the search results. The more you practice this quick search skill in daily life, the easier scanning will feel in the IELTS reading test. So that's how you can master scanning for IELTS reading, quickly finding the details you need. But remember, sometimes the test doesn't ask for details, it asks for the big picture. That's where skimming is powerful. If you want to learn how to skim effectively, just click the video on your screen now.